How to message seller on Temu. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now what you want to do is head over to the product that you want to purchase. Let's say I want to purchase this one. Simply click on it. Let's say you want to message the seller of this product. What you want to do is scroll down and you should see the option of Q&A, where you'll be able to enter the question that you want to ask to the seller. Over here you can also see where it says contact provider. If you click on it, you should see the contact information of the seller. With the help of that information, you will be able to message the seller. If not, the next thing you want to do is go back to your previous page and then move into You. Head over to support at the top right corner. Tap on contact us at the bottom. Now in here, you can ask the detailed information about the seller and how you will be able to contact or message them. After that, you will be able to message the seller and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can message seller on Temu. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.